Hi guys, it's Santana with Leilani Fancy Favors, and I am extremely excited today because this is our very first video for this channel. We're going to be showing you how to create templates, how to make your own designs for your templates, also how to print them and how to assemble them, and so much more. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble these super cute Muppet Baby Rice Krispie treat labels. Before we jump into the video, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, and also if you like the design that you see here, or you just want to check out our website, I will have our website down below and also in the description. So let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing you will need is your materials. So here I have a design that I made for my daughter's first birthday, a little Muppet Baby Rice Krispie treat. So you'll need to print out your design. Okay, so next you will need your Rice Krispie treats, and the one you want is the 0.78 ounce. Where I live, you can get like a 16 count for about $5 or $6. Then you will need your double-sided tape. You can get this from Amazon. Also, you will need a pair of scissors to cut out your design. Now this is optional, you don't have to use these, but I bought these scissors from Amazon, and it has like the ridges to where you can cut the top and bottom of your chip bag to make it look like the actual chips. This also is optional. This is a paper crimper, so it crimps the top and the bottom of your chip bag to make it look like an actual realistic chip bag. And this is also optional. This is what I use to trim my paper, so I have a paper trimmer. Here I'm just going to trim off the paper that I don't need that's around my design. And if you don't have a paper trimmer, like I said, you can just use a pair of scissors just to cut off the extra paper. Again, if you like this theme, or you have a party or an event that's coming up and you're looking to order party favors, we also have physical party favors as well. So you don't have to print them out and assemble them yourself. We also sell physical party favors. So we'll do the design for you, we'll print it, we'll assemble it, and we will ship it to your doorstep. Now here I'm just trimming off the excess paper from the second one. So I'm just going to speed this one up for you guys. Now that I have both of my Rice Krispie treat labels cut out, now I'm going to show you exactly how I assemble them. So you want to grab your double-sided tape, and I'm going to show you exactly where you want to place those right here at the bottom area. And then also you want to take two small pieces and put them on each side of your label. I hope you guys can see that. I have two small pieces on each side, and then I have one long piece at the bottom. You can just take off the paper. If you have a little problem trying to get them off, you can always just give them a little stretch like I did here, and they will pull right on off. Now you're going to take your Rice Krispie treats, and I like to just fold back my sides. Then you're going to take it and you're going to fold over your label making sure that sticky side is the one that's on top. All right, now you just want to make sure it is nice and even. Now you're going to take one end, and I like to smooth it out and push in the middle first and then your ends. Now I just take my paper crimper just to crimp the ends. Like I said, this part is optional. You do not have to do this part. I just like the look of it. Now I'm just going to take my scissors with the little ridges and cut off the ends. And that is it. Look how cute they are. Super cute, super easy to do. Now I'm going to assemble the second one for you guys so you can see it one more time. Okay guys, and that is it. I absolutely love the Muffet Babies, and I absolutely love the way these came out. I also did the matching chip bags and Hershey purses, so I will also have those videos coming up soon. I believe the next one I'll do is probably the matching chip bags, so you guys stay tuned for that video. And also down below I have my website so you can check out all of our designs that we have. If you have made it this far in the video, I want to thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time, bye!